What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make over $1,000 per month with a method called domaining. Now, you might not know what this is, or you might know what this is, but I want to show you the best way to do this for beginners. Now, I've been doing this on and off over the last few years, and I've made quite a good amount of money with this. And I do this when I see a good deal coming up, and you'll understand what I mean in a second. And I also know quite a lot of other people who are making over 5 figures per month doing this exact strategy. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step in this tutorial. Now, what you're going to be learning in this tutorial is pretty simple. First of all, this works worldwide. It doesn't matter what country you're in. You can do this. I'm also going to show you how to do this using completely free tools and the exact steps to take to actually make money online with this method. And I'm going to show you examples of people making big money with this method. And best of all, I'm going to show you multiple ways to make money with this. So not just one way, but multiple ways you can make money with this strategy. Now for this video, guys, just quickly, we are bringing back the giveaway. If you don't know what it is, what you're going to do is find the emoji in this video. Now, once you find that emoji, comment below emoji plus cash or emoji plus course, depending on what you want to win. You'll get cash if we pick you as a winner and you put cash, or you'll get course, so you have a chance to win this giveaway. And make sure you subscribe for videos every single week on how to make money online. We bring out the best videos showing you the best strategies and case studies. So before we jump into this, what is domaining? What we're going to be doing is going out and finding expired domain names, so essentially websites, and we're going to get these domains, and then we're going to make money with them via some multiple ways that I'm going to show you in this video. And these are some examples of some domains that have just sold recently in the last couple of weeks. Rentahome.com, $40,000. Shop gift cards, $35,000. Supercoins, $75,000. And a few more smaller ones, $5,000 and $5,900. And there's literally thousands getting sold every single month, and people are making really good money with this strategy. You might be thinking, what are expired domains? Expired domains are essentially website names that someone hasn't paid to keep going in their business, and they're going to expire. The best thing about this is expired domains are really good names that you can make money from by reselling these domains or flipping these domains. So those people that purchased them in the past, when they're expired, you get the chance to go and get those domains for yourself. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online flipping domain names. So guys, the first step to actually doing this is pretty simple. We need to go and find a place that we can get expired domains from. Now, I'm going to show you one first that I don't really like that a lot of people use, and then I'm going to show you why I don't like it, and then I'm going to actually show you a much easier way and a much easier website where you can go and find expired domains. So the first website that a lot of people actually use is called expireddomains.net, and it makes sense. The name says it all. The trouble with this is if I actually click on expired domains, there's all of these crazy domains that don't really make sense to me. Now, there are ways you can filter out domains by putting in keywords and things like that, but I just don't like this website, okay? The one that I like and that I've actually used is this one here called justdropped.com. And I'll quickly show you how you can use it, and then I'll show you a better way to find domains for beginners. So you can actually come down here and we can go and put in something like Vegas, right? So we can go and put in a keyword, and you have to sign up to do this. And I'm going to go list only domains dropped on December the 4th, so some that have dropped today that I could buy. And I'm going to go show the domains. And it's going out there and it's finding me these domains. And there's actually a problem with doing it this way. And the problem is you actually have to know the keyword. So you need to know what you're looking for. You need to know what type of domain you're looking for, like what type of keyword and stuff. And there's lots of research involved. So it's not very beginner friendly. Essentially, that's more for professionals. So I'll show you a better way in a second on how to find really good domains to sell. But if we go here, it says here that VegasClubbus.com. That's actually not too bad. And then we have VegasFootspa.com. So that's pretty good. You could potentially purchase these, and I'll show you later on how in the video how you can use these. These are called geo domains. So geo domains are pretty good because it's in a specific location and it's quite easy to sell these types of domains to local businesses. Okay, so you can just go to this website here and you can put in keywords: fishing, Vegas, Orlando, New York, and essentially find domains that you could sell. But it depends on the strategy that you use to sell these domains, which we'll talk about soon. Or you can actually go to real-time available domain keyword alerts. I think you have to pay for this, where you put in specific keywords and they'll actually send you alerts when those domains are about to be expired. But the way that I like to do it is you can actually let these guys do the work for you. You can click on daily deals. And what you can do is you can actually sign up to their daily deal newsletter and they will send you domains every single day. If we look at my email here, this is one that just got sent to me, and it's got domains on the daily that come to you. Now, these are a little bit more expensive because these guys have actually purchased them themselves and they've done the research for you. So they obviously need to make a little bit of money. Okay, they're not just going to do that all for free, and that's completely understandable. But this is the best way to do it, and I'll tell you why. Okay, for example, if we look at this one here, for example, miscellaneousclothing.com, if we copy this and we actually go to a tool called SDBot and I paste it in here, it's going to tell us the value. Now, they've already actually done that, but telling us the value right here. And it's worth $5,300. Now, keep in mind that this price is pretty inaccurate. These are not very accurate, but it's a pretty good indication that we could probably get some pretty good money for this domain. Okay. Now, the good thing about this this thing here is that you essentially go through, and there's lots of different domains with good names that you could potentially sell. So Aftermarket Advantage, we're actually going to come back to that in a second. Impact Screwdriver. That's a really good one, actually. ImpactScrewdriver.com. I mean, that is so specific to an impact screwdriver. Someone that sells an impact screwdriver. All right. Now, I was going to come back. That's a really good one, actually. It's probably already sold. But if we go down, there's all of these different domains here. We have Suburban Dry Cleaners. We have Advantage Pump. Excellent Buzz. We have some payday loan stuff. There's all of these different domains that you could potentially purchase. There's one down here that I actually liked, which is OntarioBoatRentals.com. So it's a really good geo-targeted specific domain. These ones are really, really good. So this is really the best way to find, oh look, here's another one, roadcourier.com. And the price obviously depends. If they're like really OG, they're going to charge you a little bit more, but you can obviously sell those on for even more. There's really a lot of domains that you can purchase here. So you essentially just want to go through and see what kind of domains are really going to pique your interest and that you can sell. Now, a good way to kind of see what these could potentially be worth is you want to go to namebio.com and put in a keyword. So for example, we have aftermarketadvantage.com. If I just put in aftermarket and go to search, what it does is it tells us what specific, so if we go to price here, it tells us what specific domains with those keywords in have sold for. So obviously aftermarket.com sold for $125,000. That would be pretty common because it's quite an OG name. But aftermarket review sold for $1,000. Aftermarket wheels sold for $400. Aftermarket sales $300. Aftermarket supply. You can essentially go and through these domains and you can find ones that you're interested in and you can put the specific keywords in. So let's try that Ontario one. So Ontario Boat Rentals. We're actually going to use this one in a second. We go back to the keyword on Ontario. You just want to put, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And this is probably a better example. We can see that Ontario Homes for Sale, Ontario Home Builders, Ontario Car Insurance, Ontario Explorer, Ontario Hotels, so for $1,000. These all sold for like $2,000-$3,000, and this is Ontario Boat Rentals, right? So we know that these sell for good money because these are actually real sales results from the specific domains with that specific keyword in it. How can you actually make money from these? I'm actually going to show you 4 methods that you can do to make money with these domain names, okay? Method number 1 is we can just straight buy one of these domains and then we can flip it for a profit. To do that, we can use websites like flipper.com. And if we go to domains, there's people that are selling domain names. Okay, there's some here. Some are going to sell for a lot. Some might sell for not so much, as long as you're making some profit. You might buy this one for, say, Aftermarket Advantage for $69. If you sell it for $150, you've doubled your money, right? So you might want to go and make a lot of money or just a little bit. It really depends on what you want to do. And obviously some domains are going to sell for more than others. But you can go to flipper.com and you can simply go and sell the domains. Okay, simple as that. Or you could actually go to dan.com and you can go to sell domains. This is another website. These are some of the websites that I've used. Or you can go to sudo.com and you can sell the domains there as well. Okay, or you could actually go to GoDaddy Auctions if you want, and you can start an auction reselling these domains. But I actually have some more strategies that I really love that you can actually make some pretty good money from. So for example, method number 2, which is actually probably my favorite. Let's just say we go and purchase the domain name Impact Screwdriver, okay? What we could actually do is we could go and we can go to Flipper and we can actually create these things called starter sites. So we can go and create starter sites. I could take impactscrewdriver.com, and what I could do is I could go to Amazon and I could find Impact Screwdrivers and I could sell them as an affiliate. So I can go and create a starter affiliate marketing website based on Impact Screwdrivers. And I could go and sell it for quite a lot of profit because you've got not only just the domain, you've actually got a website as well. You can go to fiverr.com and put in web design, and people will design websites for you for quite cheap. This is pretty cheap. It could cost thousands of dollars if you go through like a big company. We could do premium for $100. We could do $125 for some basic WordPress setups. But essentially, you can go and create a website. So here's an example. I just put in best impact screwdrivers, okay? And if we go to popular mechanics here, the 11 best impact screwdrivers for any job. And these guys will make money. Now imagine if you actually had the domain name impactscrewdriver.com and you created a website based around that where people could go and make money from their affiliate marketing commissions. It's actually very, very powerful. So that's method number 2, is to go and create little starter websites like this one here. It's actually making profit, about $4,000. This one here, $5,000. This one here, $300. This one here, $2,000. But you can go and create these starter websites and you can sell it as a package with the domain and the website. Now, method number 3 is also one of my favorites, but I do like the website one a little bit better. We can actually go to websites like brandpar.com and we can actually list the domain with a logo, and companies that are looking for brand names or they're looking for or people that are starting a business, they are willing to pay quite good money for these. So for example, joeexpresso.com, $4,795 for the domain and the logo. And once again, you can get logos made on Fiverr for $15, $25, $100, $25, $30. But I must warn you, to make this method work, you have to do something different. You have to actually you have to actually buy branded domains. So for example, pumas.com or slayax.com, I think that says, or timdim.com. You have to actually do this on, or EAKEE. You have to actually do this on 1 word or 2 word branded domains, or it doesn't work very well, because you notice on here, it's all branded domains. Okay, it's all branded domains. They're either 1 word or 2 words. They're never really 3, but we've got here jackpotto.com, tidyal.com. We've got all of these branded domain and logos. So all they are, look at this one, coolclub.com. That's pretty cool. Coolclub.com. So it's a domain name and a logo. You can buy the domain for like $70. You could buy a logo for like $30. You could easily do it for like $100, and you can sell it on brandpar.com. And you can also use this one here, which their prices are a little bit lower. And this is called zillipa.com, I think. That's a really strange name. But you can use this website as well to go and sell your domain and your logos. Now, the 4th way is a really good way for local domains, okay? We came to the conclusion that we could make some pretty good money off the website that has Ontario in the domain. And that was the boat rental one. So how could you potentially make money with this? What you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to type in Ontario boat rentals. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Boat rentals, right? And we want to actually find boat rental shops that we could potentially sell this domain name to. We need to actually outreach them. So I would go to the 10 best boat rentals. This one here, I actually already checked it out for this video. And we've got Ahoy Rentals. We have Diverse Rentals. We have this one here, but I don't think that's in the same location. But you essentially want to reach out to these companies and say, hey, how would you like to purchase the domain OntarioBoatRentals.com? And a lot of these guys will be interested because it's specific to their business and it would really help them get customers. So the key is to really find a specific domain for your specific method of selling that domain. And that's how you look at this one, absolutely-wasted.com. There's so much you could do with that. It could be a website about cannabis or drinking or something like that. Or freakingamazing.com. There's really all of these good domains, financecrafters.com. There's all of these great domains that get sent to you every single day without you doing any research. All right, guys, so that is how you do it. You're going to find domains from the method that I just showed you, and you can go and try these 4 methods to actually sell these domains. You can straight flip the domains. You can create starter sites with the domains and then flip them. You can go and get a logo with the domain and flip them, and even a logo and a website and flip them. Or if you want to do method 4, you can find local domains and do cold outreach to local businesses. And yes, this does work. People make a lot of money doing this method. But if you want some more ways to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how to make money online for free. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know below and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.